Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Up-N-Runnin. Thanks for watching. And I want to say thank you to all the new subscribers as well, so I appreciate it. Alright, on this episode we're going to continue working on the 74 Blazer. I hope you enjoy it.
You know, having that truck, just to have bolts.
Oh yeah.
Did you have a lot of adjustment? The back does.
Yeah, that's about it. I figured I'd just put it on and get the hood on.
Come off the bed.
Yeah.
Dripping gas?
It is, yes.
Alright. Where the heck is it coming from, Ken?
I think it's coming
That nut?
from that nut, that big nut.
Wow, that was pretty loose.
Yeah, it is. It's still dripping like crazy though. It's like getting worse even.
Yeah.
It slowed down a little bit there.
Still drip, drip.
Yeah,
drip.
it is. Now it's slowed it a little more.
Yeah.
Drip, drip.
I might have to pull it out and see if that ring is on there.
Yeah.
This thing hadn't been running so long, I just want to get it running before I switch distributors.
Right. There you go. I think it's actually full this time. It didn't suck it right down.
That's the first time it's ran with the shroud and everything on since I've done it.
Yeah. That's exciting.
But now I want to put the API in it.
Yeah.
I just wanted to make sure everything was decent before I did it.
Right.
Oh, I forgot. I got to put the holes in the quarter. Before I paint it, I got to put it in.
Yeah, you don't want to do that once there's paint on it. I got a couple minutes here. I figured I'd just walk around and kind of show you some of the vehicles that we've got around here for parts, and for that matter, project vehicles. I think all you guys from the northern part of the U.S. would just be drooling over sheet metal like this. I know this is a Suburban, so it's not too exciting, but you know, it's still fun, you know, for me to just see, you know, stuff that's in this good a shape and you know, this rust-free. This, of course, is Jake's truck. He drives this quite a bit. You can see this is a pretty solid old Chevy as well. It's something that Jake's just been fixing up as time goes on. but this is a pretty solid truck. So here's a few more parts vehicles over here. This one is a diesel. There's no engine in it right now though. You can see these are pretty solid vehicles too. This one's actually complete except it doesn't have an engine in it. This is that Blazer. Over here is kind of an interesting vehicle. This old truck right here, this is actually a diesel. It left the factory as a diesel. It's pretty dirty, but it's actually a relatively solid truck. It's got the typical Chevy front fender rusted out. Well, I guess technically it's a GMC. This one's an 87 4x4, so this was the first year for fuel injection on these trucks. It was really the only year the square bodies had fuel injection. That one's a little on the rougher side. This is another 87, this red and black one. Other than a dent, it's actually a pretty solid truck. This one's a 77, and the easiest way to tell 77s is they have gold in the trim instead of black. It was the only year that Chevy put gold in the trim. You can see this is a pretty solid truck as well. Another Suburban that's getting parted out. Again, no rust on it. They're kind of packed in here a little tight, but this is a pretty clean truck as well. A lot of good body panels on this one. I don't know which way this one's going to go, if it's going to get fixed up or parted out. This one's a 79. You can tell the 79 because the trim comes down and goes all the way around the turn signals versus this 77 over here. The trim doesn't go around the turn signals. So these 70 square bodies, those are just some of the clues that you can get to tell what year they are. So Blazer's going to get parted out. Another Suburban. We actually put some fuel in this one and heard it run when we got it. This is another one that's super solid. Some old Chevelle fenders. This one's a 79. And this green one's a 79 as well. Back here's a four-wheel drive Suburban. Looks like he's got a pretty nice front bumper on it. This is a 79 Blazer. This one's really nice too. It's an 80s Blazer. So anyway, so that's a little bit of a tour about what we have hanging around here. Hope you enjoyed it. Oh yeah, I almost forgot to show you this truck. I know this one's been on the channel before, but I don't think I ever really looked at it really close. So, but anyway, you can see this truck is super clean too. That's one of the nice things. This is all original paint. And let's open it up. This one, Ed took the time. He got the AC working, and you know, this is a runner driver. You know, it's a pretty nice truck. So this one's all ready to go and to enjoy. So I hope you enjoyed the tour of all the vehicles here at Up-N-Runnin. Alright, that's going to wrap it up for another episode of Up-N-Runnin. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned next time. We'll keep working on the Blazer. Alright guys, welcome back to it. Caught. Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Up-N-Runnin. Thanks for watching. Alright, we're going to continue to... Alright, that... did it again. Ah! Alright, that's going to wrap it up. So...